Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Uh, Last day, one of my client asked me to push a custom event that if a user or a visitor visit five product page in a session. Okay, it's not five page; it's a five product page. When a visitor or a user visit a five product page in a session, then have to push a custom event. Okay, and I'm going to show you how can I complete this challenge, okay, for this client. Okay, actually this is a Shopify store, and this is the Google tag manager for this client. And that's why for to complete the channel I have to set up some tag and some have to push some custom event from the Google tag manager. And let me show you how can we complete this process. Okay, for that, first of all, I need a variable, and already I create the document for you, and I add this document file in the video description. Okay, for to push the custom event when a people visit five product page in a session. For that, I have to create some JavaScript variable and some first party cookie and some JavaScript tag and trigger. Okay, let me show you how can we do it. Okay, for that I have to create a cookie variable, and that's why I just come in the variable section. And from here I have to create a new variable, and from the user defined variable I have to choose the first party cookie, and the cookie name will be product page count. Okay, let's copy this product page count. Okay, then paste it here, and have to name the variable. And for that you can write here the product page count, something like that. Okay, let's save the variable. Okay, then I have to copy the JavaScript code. Okay, then let's go to the tag section in the Google tag manager, and from the tag section I have to create a new tag inside Google tag manager, and the tag type will be custom HTML. And from the custom HTML I have to put here the custom JavaScript code that I already copy from this document file. And from here, as a trigger, I have to choose the all page. As example, if I go here, then just look at here, this is the code structure. From here, check if the current page is a product page. Okay, and how can we do it? If window.location path name dot include products, every Shopify website product page has the common path, that is products. And this JavaScript code and this tag will find the page as a product page with this code. If window.location dot path name dot includes and then slash products, then slash. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this is my client website, and this is the Shopify website. And if I go to this website, then just look at here, this is a products, and there is a common path, that is products. Look at here, there is a common path, and in this product page, that is the products. And this code will find if it's a product page or not with this path. Okay, that's the process. And now I have to name this tag as a like five product page view event. Okay, actually this code will help us to push a custom event. If I go here, if I scroll down, then you can see there is an event push. I write a event push custom JavaScript code. Push the custom event to the data layer. Window.data layer equal to window.data layer, then window.data layer dot push event five product page view. and I make this custom JavaScript code to push the event. The event name will be 5 product page viewed, and you can customize it if you want. If you want to rename this event, then you can rename from here. Okay, never delete this and never delete this quotation. Just inside this quotation you can rename this event. Okay, now this tag and this custom JavaScript code and custom HTML tag will help us to push the event. Then with the event we can send this data to Google Analytics or Facebook and anything in or others platform. Okay, and for that I have to save this tag. Okay, then this tag will be saved, and now I want to test it's working or not. Okay, then go to workspace, and from the workspace I have to go to the preview mode. Okay, then have to connect this preview mode with the website. Okay, now this preview mode is connected and we can see the data flow here. And from here we can I want to visit 5 product page, and this is the one of the product page. And if I visit here, then the product page data is not count here. Okay, let's see what's the problem. Now if I go to another product page, okay, sometime debug view is not working in Google Tag. Now it's the debug view is working. Look at here. This is the on product page that I view. Okay, this is the second product. Okay, second product already I view, and this is the third product. Already I view 3 product, and this is the third. This is the fourth product. Maybe I view. Just look at here. This product, in this product page, Google Tag Manager is not working. That's why maybe it will count as a three product, third product. Then this should be fourth product. I can open this debug extension. Sometime if Google Tag Manager debug view is not working, then you can enable this extension. This extension called GA debug or debug view. Okay, now if I refresh this page, I believe this. Now look at here. When I enable this extension, now this debug view is working in every page. Okay, let's go to the another product. Now if I go to a on more product, that should be this product. Now look at here, the 5 product page view event is fired. And just look at here, I just visit five product from my website. Then there is a custom event custom event fired, that is 5 product page view. Now we can set up a custom event trigger and the custom event tag for any of platform. Okay, let's see how can we do it. Okay, then let's copy this event name. It's a custom event, and then I have to create a new trigger called the custom event, and then have to paste it here. Okay, have to remove it. Okay, then you have to name it like 5 product page view. Okay, then let's save it. Now we can create a GA4 event with this custom event. Then let's create a GA4 event. Okay, then let's call this trigger 5 product page view, and we have to call here the measurement ID. And from here event name, we can name this event like 5 product view. Okay, Okay, we can name this tag like this, and from we can name this event like this, and then have to name this tag, and it should be J4 event, and the five product sorry five product view. Okay, then let's save it. Okay, now I have to submit this container again. Okay, then I will go to the preview mode again, then have to check this event is fired or not. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's go to the preview mode again. Okay, now I wish in the every page debug view will be working, because I enable extension that called GA debug. Okay, let's go to let's visit 5 product page in a session. If I refresh this page, I believe okay, now this event is fired. This page is loaded. Okay, then I have to go to a on more product page. Okay, this is the product number 2. Okay, this is the product number 2, and this is the product number 3, and I believe this is the product number 4. Okay, I have to refresh this page. Now the preview is working, and this should be the product number 5. Maybe it was the product number 4, that's why the event is not working. And if I visit on more product, as example, if I visit this on product again. Okay, this Google Analytics J4 event, J4 event, 5 product we already fired. Maybe it was fired for previous product. If I find it, okay, there, that was the product number 5, and for the for the fifth number product page, this event is fired, and that is the 5 product page view for this custom event. Our Google Analytics 4 event is fired. That's mean it's working, and everything is totally fine, and it's fired, and the event name is 5 product view, and this event fired for this custom event. Okay, hopefully you understand.